Good morning.
Buenos dias.
We are right outside Joshua Tree National Park in California. We stayed on some BLM land last night, which was beautiful, but it is very cold. How cold are you?
It's more windy than cold.
There's also very gusty winds happening. So we were hoping to climb today, and we still might this afternoon, but we're gonna wait it out a little bit. Do some laundry, take a shower. There's only one option for showers that we could find, and they're $5 for 7 minutes. We're gonna try and take a really fast shower. I do need to wash my hair, which can take 7 minutes itself, so we'll see how this goes. And then if the wind dies down and the sun stays out, we're gonna try and maybe climb this afternoon, or at least go into the park. Good morning. Oh, there's Murphy outside. He's climbing on top of the bus. Probably getting some tools. Anyways, it is Wednesday. We've been up for a couple hours. It was a very cold night. I think it's 23 degrees it got down to, and very, very windy out here in the desert. So we've just been warming up around the heater. We just had some oatmeal, and despite the cold, we're gonna try and climb today. Just a couple routes. We have some friends joining us from San Diego later in the week, and they're new to climbing, so we're going to scout some routes that maybe we could take them up. So we're going to do just a couple routes. Sorry, Murphy's shaking the bus because he's on top of it. Just a couple routes, and then I'm going to try and go to a yoga class this afternoon. There's a studio in downtown Joshua Tree, so I'm going to check it out. Closer to me. Too close. All right, I just got out of yoga. We are back at the BLM land. It was a pretty great day. I didn't get a bunch of footage of us climbing just because our hands are busy while we're doing it, but climbed a couple routes, got some yoga in, and now we're gonna sleep next to the mountains. I feel like if someone were to ask me, like, what's your ideal day? I'd be like, climbing, and then a little yoga, and then sleeping in the mountains.
Okay.
How was your day?
Great. I got to climb on stuff. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a good day. All right, I'm going to cook up a little bit of dinner, and then we're going to tuck in for the night. time. It's probably like 11:15 right now, and it actually warmed up quite a bit. So it's pretty pleasant out here. We are at Indian Cove, which is from the north entrance of Joshua Tree, which is at a lower elevation. So the temperature is a little bit warmer than it is if you go into the west entrance of the park. So the sun's out, it's feeling pretty warm, and we're gonna go play on some rocks. Daylight. We're probably gonna get one more route in today. I'll show it to you. Gonna run right up there. Feeling excited to lead that?
Yes.
Good morning. It's Friday. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling pretty rough today. Yesterday afternoon was like a little bit tough for me. So that last climb that we did that I filmed, so it's like a grade harder than what I can typically climb outside, but I was going for it anyways, and I got my ass handed to me. So that kind of took it out of me. And so then I lowered back down off the climb, like came down the way I came up. Murphy was gonna walk off, so he pulled the rope up. And usually if you're gonna walk off a climb, it's like a trail or like a very shallow grade scramble down, like something that you can walk off of. But this, for whatever reason, was like a 35-foot like vertical drop down. So you could scramble a little bit, but then it was just like a sheer face down to the ground. And I think I took a little bit of footage of it. I can put it in so you can take a look at it. So Murphy ended up having to like rig up a system to be able to rappel down that slash kind of down climb. So we ended up being out there for a while. So by the time we got home last night, like I was beat, just ate some food, went to sleep, and it was a really cold night. I don't think temperature wise it was that much colder. I think it was like around like 19 or 20 degrees, but I think from being outside in the cold all day and then just like being physically exhausted, I just could not warm up. I've been up since 3 a.m. So I'm feeling like not my best self today. So anyways, I do want to get outside a little bit today. We're going to do like a little bit of grocery shopping. We have a package to pick up. So we're going to do a little bit of that stuff and see if I can pep myself up. Oh, and the other thing was that happened yesterday was that I ripped my favorite pants. If you watched my wardrobe tour, you know that the Dickies pants that I have, I wear like pretty much every day to do everything, and the pocket like ripped off the butt on them yesterday. I'm like actually really bummed about it. I am gonna try and fix those so that I have some clothes to wear outside today too. And then maybe this afternoon get some climbing in or just be outside a little bit. And then we have friends joining us tonight. So our friends from San Diego, Leanna and Christian, will be here this afternoon. So I'm excited to see them too. All fixed up, hopefully. I've never really been that good at sewing, so I hope it holds. I'm just walking to go meet Murphy where we're gonna go climb. Still not feeling like my most vibrant self today, but a little time outside always helps. So I'm just gonna climb a little. It's already like 1 p.m. so we don't have like a whole bunch of daylight. Okay, I gotta go because it's really hard to find things in Joshua Tree because everything just like looks like the same rocks everywhere. So I have to figure out where Murphy is. Okay, bye. It is Saturday. We are back out on Joshua Tree and we have friends, Leanna and Christian. Hey! So they are climbing newbies and we're gonna take them up. So how you guys feeling about your first climb?
Excited, nervous,
apprehensive.
We got this.
It's gonna be a good time.
Funny for you to see all the little bulges. Like we were saying before, you know, you see stuff like this. Like this is an awesome foot. So just keep that 360 awareness and try and like look around.
Okay.
And it's, yeah.
All right,
It's
so I'm
take
just
your
gonna
time.
start.
There's no race. Nope.
All right, have fun.
Thanks.
That was so cool. We are back at the BLM land. Christian and Leanna are with us. They killed it for their first day climbing. We had a ton of fun. It was a really great day. So we're just gonna have some dinner, make a fire, and hang out. I'm gonna sign off for the week. Thanks so much for coming with us as we explored Joshua Tree. It's one of our most favorite places on earth. So thank you so much for watching. I put out new videos every Tuesday, so make sure you subscribe to follow along with our travels. Bye, friends. Stop. No. Now I lost my train of thought. I mean, that's a beautiful face. You're still making that face. We're getting off track.
Okay.
Thanks. Oh, that was bad. Let's do it again.
Thanks so long for...
Hey, Rebecca. What did you say you just did?
You just farted in my pillow.
Goodbye.